Hello, my name is Carlos. I work for Cipher Business Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to incorporate a column chart in your Application Studio report. Column charts allow you to identify high and low values in your dataset. As you can see, this report does not have a column chart yet, so let's select Design View. What you need to do first is to identify the hyperblocks. Here I have the time and version hyperblocks. Then highlight the cells that contain the hyperblock and click on the Chart Wizard button. It opens up the Select Chart Type. From here you select the chart of your preference. I'm going to select Columns, then Next. It takes me to the Data Source dialog. Under Data Source, leave this value unchanged. Data In determines what the column bars will represent in the chart. If you select Rows, then the column bars will represent time. If you select Columns, then the column bars will represent version. In this case, Actual and Forecast. Sample Data displays a preview of the chart. The number of series counter increases or decreases the number of bars in the graph. The number of categories counter increases or decreases the number of points along the x-axis. Click Next. Here you enter the chart title. Then the label for the x-axis, label for the y-axis, and press Finish. Now I'm going to move the chart to the right of the dataset. Click once on the object and make sure you see these 8 dots around the object. Then drag it and drop it to the position where you want the chart to be displayed. Now I'm going to change the color of the bars and I will move the legend, this section, to the bottom of the chart. Double click. Make sure you see this rectangle enclosing the object. Right click and select Version to change the color of the actual element. Click on Solid Fill, then select the color, which will be blue. Press OK. Repeat the steps for the forecast, but this time you select the second element. Click on Solid, Color, and this time I'm going to select green. Press OK. Now I'm going to move the legend down to the bottom. Right click. This time I'm going to select Chart Options and select the option that moves the legend to the bottom. Make sure you click on the Legend tab. Click OK. Now let's take a look at this chart. As you can see, I need to resize this chart. Let's go back to Design Mode. I'm going to adjust the height and width of the chart. Click once on the object and select this middle handle and move it up like so. Now I'm going to adjust the width. I'm going to select this lateral handle and move it to the right like so. And now let's take a look at the chart. And here you go. This is how you incorporate a column chart in your Application Studio report. Thank you very much for watching.